Hey there! Welcome back to Educate E-commerce. In this video, we are introducing a powerful Shopify tool to help you maximize your revenue effortlessly, A/B Final. A/B Final is your gateway to easy A/B testing, designed specifically for Shopify stores. With just a few clicks, you can boost your average order value and increase conversions. Whether it's testing your product page layout, pricing strategies, or even the product images, A/B Final empowers you to discover what resonates best with your customers. And the best part? No coding skills required. A/B Final's intuitive dashboard makes A/B testing setup a breeze, allowing you to focus on what matters, growing your business. One of A/B Final's standout features is the ability to effortlessly test product prices. By split testing different price points, you can pinpoint the sweet spot that drives maximum sales, revenue, and profit. And if you ever need a helping hand, a dedicated support team is there to guide you every step of the way, ensuring your A/B campaigns are set up for success. Before we dive into how to supercharge your Shopify store with A/B Final, you'll first need to install the app onto your Shopify dashboard. Simply head over to the provided URL and follow the installation instructions. Once that's done, we can get started on optimizing your store for maximum growth. Before we begin, this video is sponsored by AppMaker. With AppMaker, you can seamlessly transform your Shopify store into stunning native iOS and Android apps effortlessly, with no coding required. Elevate your mobile presence with AppMaker today. Now, let's get back into the tutorial. Now let's click on Create Product A/B Test. Here you can either create a test for a single product or test the prices of multiple products in one go. In this tutorial, we will select the individual test. Let's give the test a name for our reference. Now let's click over here to select the product that we want to test on. Once you have selected, click on Add. The next section is the test variants. This is where we will add a new test variant for the product. You can either add your variant directly from this page, or you can click on this button to expand the section and compare your variants side by side. Let's expand this section for this tutorial. Here, you can choose the options that you would like to test on. For this tutorial, let's test the title and description of this product. Now let's add a new variant. Give it a name and description for your reference. As you can see, we now have both variants listed side by side for easy comparison. Let's create a new title and add some extra details onto the description in our new variant. If you want to test the images, videos, and the pricing of your products, you can scroll down and modify the data as needed. Once you are all set, you can simply close the expanded view by clicking on the Back button, located on the top left corner of the page. Let's explore the last three options before we start the test. Here, you can adjust the frequency of switching between the variants to be displayed in your store. In this example, both variants of this product will be switched every 30 minutes. This can help to track the conversion rates of both variants. Next, you can choose to start the test immediately or schedule it for a later date. Finally, you need to set an end time for this test. If you click on the checkbox here, you can enable the option for the app to automatically declare the winning variant of this test in your results and publish the successful variant in your store. Let's move on to the next step to review the test. Once you have reviewed all the information, click on Start Test to begin testing. Now you have successfully started an A/B test on your product. To view the results in real time, you can simply click on the title of the test. Here you can track key metrics like conversion rates and revenue to study the effectiveness of your variations. You can use these findings to refine your strategies and optimize your store for maximum performance. And there you have it. With A/B Final, A/B testing has never been easier. Start uncovering what works best for your store today and watch your revenue skyrocket. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For future updates and additional content, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.